Hi, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 15 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, implement a Java program that explores the concept of nested try statement with complex scenarios. Create a method that may throw exceptions and showcase the use of nested try statements for precise exception handling. So the description is also given. Write a Java program with a method containing nested try statements. Create a scenario where the inner try block is used for more specific exception handling. So this question is similar to the last one. So let us try some other nested try and catch block statements here. There is no particular input format, but the output must be the relevant messages indicating the successful handling of exceptions using the nested try statements. So we are given again the constraint that we need to at least have 3 nested try statements and implement the complex scenarios for precise exception handling. So here is a given example that exception caught is custom exception and handled by and similar. So we have 3 exceptions here. So I have created a Java file. So let's quickly do whatever is asked. So here I'm going to create one custom exception class. So custom exception, so this will extend the exception class, and here I'm going to create the constructor for this, and here I will print custom exception thrown. So here I will explicitly throw this custom exception because I have created this, and now I will write a try and then a catch block. I will catch this custom exception E and print that itself. In this try block, I am going to call another nested try block. So this is a method which I am going to write here. So public static void nested try. So in this method, I am going to write 2 other nested blocks. So here let us see what is the remove catch clause. Custom exception is, so why it is unreachable. So I can write it as public, and even still it is never thrown. Okay, so we are going to throw that exception, right? So we will see it. So I will write here a try method and then a catch block. So inside this try block, I'm going to write the first try and catch block. So this is the first try and catch block. So here firstly I'll write the array which will have 1, 2 and 3, and then I will try to print the array of 3 which is index out of bound exception. So E, so let it be EAE, and whenever that exception occurs, I'm going to print that exception. So this is the first try and catch block. So now I'm going to write the next try and catch block where I will print the arithmetic exception, and when this occurs, the catch block will be catching it. So this is AE and let this be AI. And now here also I will just print that exception. And finally, inside the outer block, I will catch the custom exception E, and so I will catch here E. But here the custom exception is never thrown, so I will create here. So I will create another block here, try. So here I am going to throw the exception, which is the custom exception. So throw new custom exception, and immediately I'll catch it, E, and I'll print that. So that's it. So here, as the custom exception is never thrown, so I can remove this and I can write here again, throw new custom exception. So now the code is done. So the custom exception is never thrown. So let me remove this nested and write the nested try. Here you can see we have 3 nested try statements, and then we threw the custom exception also and caught that. So let me run the file and check. First of all, compile the file, javac day15.java and java day15. So you can see what all is happening here. First of all, here we got this as output, right? So here we have called the nested try method. In this method, in the first try block, you can see we have this exception, which is array index out of bound, which is occurring. This catch block has caught it, and it has printed us that this is the exception which is occurring. And coming to the second catch try and catch block, we have given here 12 by 0, which will cause an arithmetic exception, and that is printed in here. Now we come to the next try and catch block statements. We have explicitly thrown the custom exception. So the custom exception thrown is printed, which is the constructor is called because an object is created of that class, and we have successfully caught it. So we have printed that, and again we have thrown the custom exception, so it is again caught successfully. So this is another example of the nested try and catch block statements. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 days of coding challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.